I bought this bike for $150 and I sold it for $400. You heard me right. That is massive, massive amount of returns, guys. So the risk was only 150 bucks and the return was $400, guys. And it didn't take me long to flip this bike. Okay. This is called the new flip. I show you exactly how to do this types of deals in your own backyard. Doesn't matter if you're in Oklahoma, Texas, California, New York, does not matter. I have students all over from Canada to Great Britain to America doing the new flip. So what is the new flip? The new flip is a strategy that I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their properties at a deep discount, and then sell it at a discount. And now you don't have to worry about what to say, what to do. Everything's written down in a manual. All you got to do is copy and paste and follow the instructions. This is very, very simple. Now, can you lose money? Yes, you can lose your initial money. I've never met a student that lost money. I have personally never lost money, but it's a possibility. But the great news is that you're only going to lose your initial capital if you buy a bad bike. But again, I've never met anyone that bought a bad bike, okay? Because this business is very, very simple, but it's a possibility because when you're in business for yourself, you can lose money, right? But on the flip side, the amount of money you can lose is so little. It's not like starting a business where you have to go borrow hundreds and millions of dollars. It's not like fixing and flipping homes where you have to get indebted to a hard money lender, $200,000 or $300,000, okay? It's not like that. And on the flip side, the best part about it is the returns are 100%, 200%, 300%, 400%, 500%, 600%, 700% return on your investment. That means you put $100 in and you have the potential to make $700 out of it, guys. Very, very fast in a matter of hours or days. It's called the new flip. I've been an entrepreneur since high school. I've never had a job. I've never worked for the man. I've never had a resume. And I can tell you, I've owned a lot of different businesses. Some were very successful, made me millions of dollars, and some were flops. But I can tell you, this is the best business. This is the best side hustle that I've ever came up with, ever, because you don't have to have experience. You don't have to have good credit. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need any tools. You don't need anything besides your computer or your cell phone. That's all you need, and it's $100, guys. Okay, that's it. That's all you need. Okay, and you could do the new flip. So it doesn't matter if you're young, you're old, grandma, grandpa, you can do the new flip. Why would anyone want to learn how to do flipping bicycles? Because flipping bicycles, what I call the new flip, teaches you everything about real estate. Real estate is the idea is finding motivated sellers, buying their house at a deep discount, and then selling at a discount or selling it at retail price. But the main ingredient of success is whenever you buy. So learning how to do the new flip teaches you how to do real estate while you make money today. It teaches you how to find deals. It teaches you how to talk to sellers. It teaches you how to negotiate. It teaches you about systems. It teaches you about accounting. It teaches you about marketing. It teaches you so many things. The psychological aspect of a motivated seller. It teaches you what a motivated seller is. It helps you believe that there are motivated sellers. There are people out there that are willing to sell their $100,000 home for $30,000 or $50,000. Okay, if it wasn't, there wouldn't be all these investors. There are out there now. It takes a special skills, special marketing, all these skills to get that, and that's what the new flip teaches you. Because I was tired of seeing my students straight out do real estate and they failed at it, or they went to other schools or seminars and they came and they failed at it, and I realized that hey, they don't have the skills, and to do real estate is very complex. Why don't they do a smaller business, build the skills that's required that's exactly the same as real estate without all the extra heavy weight, right? It's like kind of like lifting a 10-pound versus 500 pounds, right? It's so much less stress on your joints or so much less debt. And that's why I did the new flip. I wrote a book, I wrote a course, I created manuals, I created videos, and I put it out there, and my students were doing success after success. And I was like, man, and on top of that, they were stacking cash. Now I have students that bought my course. They saved 10 grand, they saved 20 grand, they saved whatever to do that marketing for wholesaling real estate or buying houses subject to or being a landlord, because they were able to get all the skills required from sales to negotiation to marketing to identifying motivated sellers, which is a very important skill to have. Okay, to be able to identify what is a motivated seller. I don't care if you want to flip cars. I don't care if you want to flip houses. I don't care if you want to flip motorcycles, buses, ATVs, whatever. If you understand the art of motivation and how to find motivated sellers. You'll have success no matter what you do. And that's what I teach you in the new flip, okay? And it's very, very simple that I'm gonna have my kid do it when she grows up, guys. It's that simple, right? When she's like 7 or 8, I'm gonna have her teach her to flip bicycles, right? Because it's that simple. But can you lose money? Yes. In any kind of business venture you go to, you can lose money. But the great news is the returns are exponential. And then the next thing is, if you lose money, you're only gonna lose $100 because that's all the course tells you to invest, to put up buying a bike, right? Is $100. Okay. Now go to the bestsidehustle.mrnoflip.com and download yours right now, guys. This is $1,000 course. I'm having a flash sale. Download it right now at bestsidehustle.mrnoflip.com, or there's a link below. Peace.